Hi everyone, welcome to week number 10 in the course. This week we're looking at continuing issues with boundaries and also conflict resolution. So a couple of things to do this week. You want to start with the folder. Click on that folder and you'll find all the materials that are required for the week. Firstly, what I'd like you to do is have a look at the conflict resolution survey. There are no right or wrong answers here, of course. Just fill it out to the best of your abilities. It does actually factor in and relate directly to the information found in the weekly slide doc. So to give you an idea as to some of your more preferential behaviors with respect to conflict resolution and maybe potentially some solutions moving forward in terms of your own clinical practice. Included this week is a article by Benjamin and Shonen Moore called Drawing a Line. Again, it provides some good information regarding clear boundaries and how to do that best for you and for your client. Please make sure you have a read of that. And then lastly, make sure you continue to have some discussions for this week related to issues of transference, countertransference, and dual relationships. They can come from your clinical practice or personal experiences. Of course, the movie is also something that you might want to comment on as well. So that's it for now. That is week 10 in all its glory. I will see you online. Please let me know if you have any questions.